Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials on darrenoneil.eu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Azure DevOps. This will be part of a series of which I'm creating around Azure DevOps, and this is the first video on how to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to search for Azure DevOps, and I'm going to press enter. And the first thing I want to click on is this Azure DevOps Services link here. Okay, so I'm now going to click Start Free. Now, if you have a Microsoft account, you can just set one up here and you can get ready to go. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to step you through this in its entirety. So I'm going to click that I don't have an account. I'm going to click create one. I'm going to ask to get a new email address. So I'm just going to put in here Darren 434 as an example email. I'm going to click next. Oh, let me add a little bit more here. Okay. It's going to ask me for a password. So I'll just put in a random password here. Okay, and I'll click next. Okay, so this is just going to ask me to solve a puzzle here. Pick the rhino. Let me do this. Perfect. Okay, that's done. Okay, so we'll just give it another moment here. Let me just pause here. Okay, it just asked me for my date of birth. I'm just going to put in a random one here because this is only as a demo. And I'm going to say I am from Ireland. Okay, I'm going to click next. Okay, and we can see it's working on it here. So we'll just give it another moment here. Okay, perfect. So it's going to ask me for my project name, my visibility, and the country region. So I'm going to say I am from Ireland. I'm going to leave my project name as this. I'm going to leave the project name as private. I'm just going to put in the capture challenge here, and I'll click continue. Okay, so it looks like our organization is being set up for us now. So let's just give it a moment, and I'll pause this again while it's doing its thing. Okay, and this looks great. Look, we're in Azure DevOps now. We have our boards, we have our repos, we have our pipelines, we have our test plans, and we have our organization here, and it all looks really, really good. Okay, so that was a very short video on how to get started with Azure DevOps. This will be the first in a series that will show how to use the features in Azure DevOps. I do hope that was useful, and any questions, please do comment below. And as always, thank you for watching.